Hello everyone, I Sayli Satam and my teammates Viraj, Salunkhe, Vidhisha, Gawas and Harishchandra Pednekar. On behalf of our team, the Binary Titans, we are presenting the problem statement development of a digital farm management portal for implementing biosecurity measures in pig and poultry farm. Problem statement is development of a digital farm management portal for implementing biosecurity measures in pig and poultry farms. Our solution is BioSecure, which is on ground biosecurity adoption and early disease detection via a mobile first platform with AI with image detection, in which we use YOLO V8 and real time guidance. In the second slide, we proposed a solution which is a biosecurity, a mobile first platform that turns biosecurity best practices into simple and guided daily actions for pig and poultry farms. The idea is to reduce disease risks by making it easy to plan the farm layout, capture critical records in seconds, and learn what to do in the local language and receive timely alerts. First is a visual farm layouts and management. Farmer can draw a digital map of their farm in which color coding is used, which gives clean, buffer and dirty zones. They place icons for gates, footbaths, feed and water points, quarantine paints and vehicle paths. The app highlighted critical control points and suggests safer movement routes for people, animals and vehicles. Second one is interactive learning and gamification. Instead of lag menus, we offer short local language micro lessons with pictures and quick quizzes. Topics like new stock, quarantine, visitor control, vehicle disinfection, vector control, carcass disposal. Completing modules unlocks batches and checklists that workers can follow on the spot. Third one is smart record keeping with QR. The app generates unique QR code for batches, sales or entry points. Staff just scan to log visitor entries, disinfection events, vaccination, feed delivery or mortality. It works offline and syncs when the phone reconnect, creating a clean audit trail for compliance and traceability. Fourth one is real-time alerts and monitoring. A BioSecure reminds users about the vaccination, cleaning cycles, quarantine timeline. It official data reports an outbreak nearby. The app sends a risk alert and recommendation immediate actions, restricting movement, reinforcing disinfection, or scheduling a vet visit. What makes us unique? Our AI layer. We use YOLO V8 with a lightweight CNN classifier for image analysis captured on a phone. A farmer snaps a photo of an animal or the pain. The model detects the animal, checks for cues such as abnormal postures, lesions, crowding or distance, and returns result with confidence and suggested next steps. This is an early warning tool. Final diagnosis is always by a veterinarian. Beyond detection, we provide proactive health forecasting. The system learns from historical logs like events, fields, and water records, and past illnesses, seasonalities, and local risks to score each batch or pen for likely issues in the incoming days. If there is process and threshold, the app recommended extra observation, isolation, readiness, or preventing measures. Let me walk you through the workflow. A farmer or a veterinarian signs up. When the veterinarian signs up, it gives a consultation and see notification. When a farmer logins, it goes to the home screen in which a heat map is given. The heat map shows area-wise disease spread with color codings and suggests actions for the farm. In risk assessment tool, provides short questionnaires based on answer. The app generates a customized step-by-step action plan and reschedules tasks. In event log with QR, supports batch management, unique QR code generation, and one-tap record entry, so nothing important is missing. In AI disease detection, allows the user to upload a photo in which Violate analyzes it and returns whether it's healthy or suspected infected. Then auto creates a case log and suggests actions according to it. One spot contact hub connects the user to the government or private veterinarians, sanitary workers and diagnostic labs, so attaching image and logs gives faster response. Digital blueprint of farms gives a live graphical view of zones and compliance indicators, so managers can see what is going on and what is done and what's pending at a glance. Together these pieces shorten the time from risk to response, improve day-to-day compliance and ultimately reduce outbreaks and losses while keeping the workflow simple for farmers and vets.
So I will be explaining technical approach. Our solution is designed to help farmers detect and prevent animal disease outbreaks in a simple but smart way. Let me walk you through how it works. Analyzing inputs. We use two main inputs, images and logs. For example, for image, our system can detect animal health issues using AI models like YOLO, which runs directly on the device. For logs, we use QR codes to track visitors, vehicles, vaccines, sanitization, disinfection records, all time-stamped automatically. The farmer gets a simple output, easy to understand health icons, and notifications in their local language. Second is metadata analysis. We also use external data like GPS, government outbreaks data, and local weather conditions. All of all of these sync safely to the cloud, even if the farmer is offline most of the time. This makes sure that the system stays updated without any conflicts. Risk assessment tool. The farmer answers a simple set of questions like a health checklist. Based on their answers, the tool instantly generates red, yellow, or green alerts. It doesn't just give alerts but also suggests clear and next steps. Security and privacy. We ensure that all farmers' data is protected. Access is role based. Access is role based. Consent is taken as Consent is taken as per data privacy laws. Fifth is vet assist. If needed, the farmer can connect with a If needed, the farmer can connect with a vet directly through the app. The AI helps by summarizing symptoms and logs before the call, so the vet already has the background and can respond faster. Next is prediction of outbreak risk. By combining farm logs, weather data, outbreak history, and image scans, our system can predict risk before they spread widely. This gives farmers early warnings and time to act. And my last point is performance monitoring. We also track how well the system is working. Things like response time, offline, offline sync success, and privacy compliance to make sure it's reliable for farmers in the real conditions. In short, our approach combines questionnaires, AI logs, and external data to give farmers clear alerts, easy vet support, early warnings, all in a secure and farmer-friendly way.
So that's what our project does. But the big question is, will it actually work in the real world? Is it practical? Yes, it's absolutely is. We have looked at it from all sides. Let me break it down for you. First, let's talk about technology. Our biggest advantage is that farmers don't need to buy any new expensive equipment. Our AI technology works on the smartphones they already have and any basic CCTV cameras. It's simple to set up and can easily connect with other software if needed. Next, the market. Is there a need for this? Yes, a very urgent one. When pigs and poultry get sick, farmers lose a lot of money. Our app helps prevent that. It also supports the government's Digital India goal. So, people need this, and it's perfectly fit with the country's plans. Now, what about the cost? Building the AI is expensive for us at the start, but for the farmer, it's very affordable. They will pay a small monthly fee. Think of it like this: they pay a little bit to avoid losing a whole lot more later. It's a smart choice for them. And most importantly, is it easy to use? Yes, we designed it for farmers. It works even without an internet connection. It uses a simple pictures and voice commands, so anyone can use it. And it requires very little training. It built for the farm, not for a tech office. We have also thought about the problems that could come up. Problem number one, bad internet in villages. Our solution is the app works offline. Problem number two, will farmers trust new technology? Our solution is we'll work with the local animal doctors or vets. Farmers already trust their pets, so this will help build confidence. Problem number three, will farmers keep using this app? Our solution is we reward them. The more they use the app to keep their farm safe, the better the safety score. This score can unlock alerts and even help them get bank loans. And this chart here, it's a technical plan. It shows how everything is neatly organized in our system. The farmer, the farm, and the disease reports, and the vets. It proves that we have a solid and well thought out plan to make this work. So, to sum it up, our project is possible to build, it's affordable, it's easy for farmers to use, and it solves a real problem.
Now we are going to discuss about the impacts. In olden system, disease outbreaks are often caught too late. For example, in a poultry farm, there is an outbreak. In a rural area, there is an outbreak and few chickens fall ill, and they are seen not less moving and not eating. So these symptoms are ignored by the farmer. So later on, after 2-3 days, half the flock is infected, and when he calls the vet, and it is very too late, and he has because of this factor, he has to face financial losses. One more example is when a farm worker visits another farm and forgets to sanitize his boots. There is no logbook or enforcement. Days later, pigs on the farm fall ill due to cross contamination. Farmers lack modern tools for learning and updates. For example, young farmers want to learn about diseases, prevention, but only find complex paper booklets, none of which is very useful for practical use. Adoption is low due to tech complexity and lack of local language support. An app is launched by an agri-tech firm which is only in English, which requires continuous internet. A rural farmer who doesn't know the English language very well face these problems, and because of this he cannot use that app or software properly. But all these problems are tackled in our system, and the impact that is made by our proposed system is automated monitoring and biosecurity enforcement, reduce disease spread risk, then uses AI for early detection, tracks compiles using QR-based smart locks, easier and more transparent. Gamified training makes it fun and engaging for farmers to learn best practices. Designed for local languages and offline use, so even remote farmers can be beneficial. Benefits in older system, farmers and authorities mostly react after the damage is done. A limited data makes it hard for vets and policymakers to act in advance. Disease outbreaks cause large financial losses. In our system, the benefits are improves livestock health and farm productivity, builds biosecurity awareness among the farmers, reduces financial loss for the outbreak, offers data-based insights for the policymakers and vets, prevention becomes easier, enables better coordination between all the stakeholders like the farmers, vets, and government. The farmer benefits. In older system, there was no real time benefit, no personalized support or tool. Learning and compliance were difficult, but in our system, easy to use farm app accessible for any farmer, real time health alert, farmer faster response to issues, personalized biosecurity plans tailored for each farmer, leads to healthier livestock, meaning higher income for farmers.
departmental benefits. In older system there was lot of paper records which was very hard to manage, poor visibility into farm health, which is farm level health data, delayed action due to a lack of coordination. But in our system, streamlined record keeping, automated monitoring, one stop vet and government support hub helps generate epidemiological data, early tracking of disease threats. The future scope, in older system there were the it is not scalable or upgradable, no integration with smart devices, no real time policy involvement. But in our system, designed to improve AI accuracy over time, can be integrated with IoT sensors for better tracking, can expand to another livestock, not just poultry or pig related, ready to integration with government policies and support system.